this side if you
want to do it again.
I'm gonna just let you know we got work.
Once more.
Okay, don't fuck up.
Actually, bring it back more. I don't want to hit it much more, so just bring it back some. Keep coming. It's good. Fuck.
No, dude, that ramp spot. No, man, it was, we couldn't hit the side before. Now we can't hit either side. We're pushing our luck. There's a 2x4 in there. He's gonna buck his ass forward. Yeah, dude, you want to see it?
Yeah, I want to see the video.
I got you.
All right, I'm gonna dip. So
Okay, we don't want to
see you guys.
My best friend crashed it.
Yeah.
They're like this tall.
Yeah.
So we're doing 40 miles an hour on 6-inch wheels.
Yeah.
He looked to see where I was, did a death wobble.
Oh.
Flipped end over end. Thank God we at least had helmets on.
Yeah.
He had crap on the back of his helmet like shark fins.
Oh yeah.
Blew up.
Oh man.
His eyeballs were doing this.
She goes, oh, what did she say? My mom said some idiots were doing stupid shit at the park, so I looked and recognized one of the idiots. Some random fucking chick that I haven't talked to in like 2 years. We're not picking the ramp up. I got us some souvenirs.
Dude, I can't believe it broke.
What do you mean, dude? You fucking hit that shit hard. Dude, it's gone. Dude, we can't use it no more. Dude, it's fucked. It's literally fucked. What does the under of it look like? Because I don't even know if we're gonna come pick this thing up. Oh, I mean, oh, it's all fucked in there. Whatever, man. Yeah, dude. Go on.